Am I recording? Yes, I am. Good morning, Desties and Bride friends. Guess what? I'm back. I'm back. I am jumping on very quickly this morning to let you know that there is a Dusty Hour live destination wedding Q&A for anyone who doesn't know. That is scheduled for tomorrow. And tomorrow is Wednesday, June 18th, and it will be at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have dropped notices on Instagram and in the Facebook group. I think it's on the Facebook page as well. But for all my besties and bride friends who are not on social or just didn't see it because the algorithm is like, who are you? And you're not going to catch notices for, I'm going to get my consistency back up and breathe some life back into the community. But until then, I'm dropping this really quickly to let you know that you are invited, or should I say, you're cordially invited to Dusty Hour. I said live Q&A, but what I'm going to do is, well, first of all, I'm inviting married. If you've already watched the show and done everything, and if you're married, come join us. If you're engaged, definitely come join us. And I'm going to do a flashback to the very first Desti Hour back in 2020. That was called The First Glass. So I'm going to be giving tips and all the things and updates. But if you have tips too, because you're married, come on. If you just want to say hi, come on. If you don't even want to say that, you just want to be in there and just infuse some support and love, do that too. If you cannot make it, then no problem. As usual, you can drop a note. So there's the Ask a Desti. I will drop that link wherever you're listening because I'm going to drop this on the podcast as well. Hey, y'all, or watching. Hey, YouTube. Wherever you are, I'm going to drop a link for you to ask your questions. And then also, ask your questions in advance, and then the replay will be available. And then if you just have a note or you have a tip or you would like to be featured or you have anything, drop that too. Drop it in the comments in YouTube, and I will be looking at that too. But yeah, links to the event, links to the questions. If you are listening to this or watching this a little later and the Dusty Hour has already happened, there will be more because, like I said, I'm back. And we have some fun stuff going on. I know I love to ramble and I'm excited, but I'm looking at the time. I have to go get Miss Irie. And so, I love you guys. I'm excited. So, hope to see you on Wednesday. Either way, I am wishing you all the best week of your life. And I can't even remember what I used to say. Oh, yeah. Have the time of your life spending the best. No, planning. Have the. I'm going to keep this in here too. But yes, have the time of your life planning the best days of your life. Lord, have the time of your life planning the best days of your life. And that's whether you're married or not. Because you're just always going to keep planning and growing and all the things. And I'm rusty, y'all. But I'm here. And we've got some fun stuff. I'm so excited. Bringing on pros and all the stuff. But anyway, that's another episode. Okay. Love you. Bye.